Sending money on Monese is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer funds quickly and securely. Follow these steps to complete your transaction. Step 1. Open a Monese app. Launch the Monese app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Send Money option. Once you are on the home screen, look for the Send Money option. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Choose the recipient. Select the recipient from your contacts or enter their details manually. You can send money to other Monese users or to external bank accounts. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount of money you wish to send. Double check the amount to ensure it is correct before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you are ready to send money using Monese. Enjoy the convenience of quick and easy transactions.